I'm gonna go through some sketchy ass tunnel and see what goes on in there. Sketchy.
Yeah, it's deep in there.
What?
What'd you find?
Nothing yet.
How deep are you?
Not that far in. Hold on, a Night Shot Plus. Where is it? Oh, right there.
Yeah, I can't even see you.
I can't see shit.
He just gets pitch black after a while.
Dude, fuck this.
After like 10 feet, it's pitch black.
Fuck that. It's like spider webs and shit. I'm coming
Oh,
back.
yeah, I see.
Like hurts to walk in there.